Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's me Yogita, and in today's video I'm going to show you that how you can create a halo eye look without actually creating a halo eye look. I mean, in halo eye look you need to create a halo cut in between your eyes with the concealer, which is not a beginner friendly look. But this eye look, even if you're doing eye makeup for the very first time, you'll be able to achieve this look and it will almost look like you have done a halo eye. So first I'm filling in my brows with a black eyeshadow. Now I'm applying concealer to create a base for my eye makeup, and also I'm carving out my brows with the concealer, and this time I have not set my eye base with powder, though whenever I create such simple eye looks most of the time I set my eye base with the powder, but this time I have not. And then with a very small fluffy blending brush I'm applying a very light baby pink shade on my crease, and I'm focusing more on my outer corner and on my inner corner because we have to make it look like a halo eye. So now with the pencil brush I'm applying a dark pink shade on my outer corner and on my inner corner as well, and the remaining will go on my crease. So this is how a halo eye looks. We applied dark shades on the sides and the lightest shade in between. So I'm leaving the between lid space empty for the lightest shade, and then I'm blending the dark pink shade with a light pink shade so that there will be no harsh edges and the eye look will look diffused and blended properly. And then with a very small flat brush, you can even use your fingers. I'm applying a very light pink shimmery shade in between my eyelid. You can even use a white shimmer or a glitter. And then again I'm blending this with the dark pink shade, and I have applied it in more of an inward triangular shape. So now you can see it is looking almost like a halo eye look, the darkest shade on the sides and the lightest shade in between. So now I'm doing my face makeup. First I'm priming up my face. So I am applying this primer from Inside Cosmetics. It's a silicone based primer, and then I will apply foundation. It's a Lakme Invisible Finish foundation. I'm in the shade 02, and I am using a damp beauty blender here to blend the foundation. You can even use a brush for more coverage. And this might be looking a little bit white on camera, but this is my exact shade. After oxidizing it will look normal. And then I'm applying concealer. This is from Swiss Beauty in the shade 04 medium moyen. And then I'm applying this powder from Blue Heaven, and I'm setting my whole face with a damp beauty blender only. You can use a brush to dust off the powder. I am using a damp beauty blender, and I am setting my whole face this time with the powder. But don't apply too much, otherwise your face will look cakey. And then I am using not a proper contouring shade but more of a bronzer shade, a very light yellowish brown kind of a shade to contour my nose. It will not make my nose look so chiseled but only give it a bit of a dimension. And then I'm applying the same color I used on my eyes as a blush, the light pink shade, and same color on my lower lash line as well. And then I've applied my kajal, mascara and false eyelashes off camera. And then I'm applying highlighter. This is from Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. And then I'm applying this lipstick from The Makeup Story by Saima. It's in the shade 05 Yo Babes. And the makeup is done. And to make this makeup look even more easier and simple, just apply a BB cream, set your face and apply a blush, and that's it. Obviously you can customize the products according to the coverage and finish you want. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you like this video. Do let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much. Bye bye.